Hello friends, in today's video I'll be taking a look at this black box, or more accurately, what's inside it. See, on the end here, it shows us that this is a transkit for the Tamiya Toyota Supra to convert it into the 1988 Safari Spec rally car. The transkit is produced by KMP, which stands for Cool Models Production. They are a fairly recent name in the 1/24 scale motorsport world and specialise in 3D CAD design and resin printing, as well as undertaking custom work in other scales. I'll leave a link to their website and Facebook in the description below if you wish to go and check them out. But this kit here is their first full transkit, and by their own admission has taken quite a long time to get right. So let's take a look inside the box and see what all that hard work has achieved. One note is that I have removed the packaging material prior to recording this review, but it was quite extensive and none of the parts suffered damage during transit. First up, we have the instruction booklet, and whilst rather small, it is surprisingly clear and detailed. The only drawback is that the Decals application guide is also on the small side, and whilst I would like it to be bigger, it is by no means hard to follow. A gift of the simple livery of the real car perhaps. The first bag contains just a few small parts. I'm not sure of the purpose of the wire. I can't find any mention of it in the instructions, and it looks a bit on the thick side to be used for something like the aerial. The paper holds instructions for the clear parts, as they are cloudy as a result of the printing process used. Let's hope that following them results in a perfect transparency as claimed. The next bag contains the wheels and tyres. A very good print, and the only clean-up needed is on the backs where the print supports were. This large monstrosity is actually the roll cage. The majority of what you can see here are the print supports, which need to be carefully cut away. A nice change to not have to assemble the cage from multiple parts. These three bespoke containers hold the remainder of the 3D printed parts, and again I can't fault the quality. Aside from the remains of the print supports, there is practically nothing to clean up. The remaining parts are all traditionally resin cast, and this is where the kit is let down. Whilst the detail is great, the amount of excess resin that needs to be tidied up is a lot more than you'd expect for a kit like this these days. The last part of the transkit is the decals, and included is some detailing wire, though to me, the black wire that according to the instructions is supposed to be used to make the suspension springs looks too thin. On the back is the instructions for the decals. Care should be taken to follow them as the carrier film is applied across the entire sheet. Well, that's everything that's in the box. So what are my thoughts on this transkit? On the whole, it's pretty decent. All the printed parts would have taken time to design and finesse. The packaging of them in those individualised containers is a nice touch. I don't think the build will be an easy one, but the instructions give a confidence with their clarity and useful annotations. I paid €150 for this transkit, and I feel that that was a fair price. I happen to already have the base kit in the stash, but obviously if you don't, the price of that would have to be added on top. So with that concludes my review of the 1/24 scale 1988 Safari Rally transkit for the Tamiya Toyota Supra from KMP. If you've liked today's video, be sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, ta-ta!